Hello everybody, this is Grace from workanywherenow.com. Today I'm going to show you what I do, who I am, and just give you a little bit insight of how I make money online and how you can do it too. So let me get to my computer to show you some stuff and I'll be right back. Who's Little Mama? Well, that's me, of course, and I kind of gave myself this nickname by accident. So I'll kind of talk about this, where it came from in a little bit. But who's Little Mama really? Little Mama is a wife. Little Mama is a stay-at-home mom. And Little Mama makes money online. And Little Mama made $7.9 thousand in November 2018. Now, this is a very exciting month for me, and it's my record month so far in my 2 years and a little bit of doing this. My website, that is, workanywherenow.com. So I'm pretty excited to show you how I earned this. Okay, I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to go on Google first. I'm just going to tell you what date it is today so that you guys know it's November 30th, okay? That it's real. It's not no screenshots here, okay? So here is my main source of income. So I want to show you. So this month I'm at 3005, and so I need to also add actually this pending, which are yearly memberships that I sold, and it's held for 30 days, but this is when I earned it. So I'm going to tell you how much everything is earned for November, and right here another November. I'm actually missing one day here, but that's okay. And here my little 45 plus 45 plus 29, 7.9, guys. Okay, so there's my proof to you. Let me just go back to my slideshow here. All right, so how do I make money online? Well, the basis is these 4 points, okay? First, you're going to choose a niche. You need to decide how you're going to make your money in what topic. So for me, workanywherenow.com is about making money online. That's just something I've always wanted to do. So I'm very passionate about it. I did try some other things to make money online, but not everything kind of works the way I want it to work. The freedom that I have today is nothing like what I did before workanywherenow.com. So before that, I actually tried making handmade goods. But ultimately, why I don't want to do an online shop per se, and not in a handmade capacity for sure. You are tied to an office, like you are tied to a physical location. Okay, my business model that I use today, I work at a laptop lifestyle basically. So I didn't like to be tied to a physical location, and I didn't want to deal with customers, and I didn't want to deal with all the different things that you need for products. For physical product, there's a lot of branding, there's a lot of packaging, there's a lot of suppliers, there's a lot of things you gotta go through, and I've been through it all with two handmade online shops I did. And so even though I made money in them, it wasn't satisfying in the sense that it gave me, like, I couldn't make 7.9 thousand. So having my business model is way better because I can work anywhere I want, and thus my domain name, right? So all I need today is my laptop and a website. Literally, it's how I make all that money that you saw. Okay, and with a website, you'll need to learn how to attract visitors. Now, my website actually attracts visitors on its own. I don't need to pay for ads. I don't need to go out to get people. I don't go out to get anybody. They come to me. They come and give me money in that sense, right? So that's why this business model is so awesome. Okay, and then once you attract those visitors, you're gonna make money. you're going to make money using certain things in your website, which I will go into in a bit. Okay. So right here, that's what I'm going to go into. Affiliate marketing is one of the best business models that I found has been very flexible in the sense of what you can do with it. And the concept is really simple and basically it's like a referral program. This is how it works with my website. So so there's a visitor like you or me, go on Google to search for things, right? So let's say obviously for someone to go on my site, they must be searching for something to make money online with. So they'll go on Google, search for things, and then they'll see my website on the first page, and that's where you want your website to be, on first page, because you don't really go through all the different pages, right, when you do your Google search. So you want to rank on first page. So mine does, and when they click on it, they go to my website, and then the visitor will click on, they'll read my content first, obviously, because there's a reason why they were wanting to go onto my website. So they're going to read what I have to say, and if they trust me enough, they'll click on my link and go buy something that I recommended, and that's how I make commission. So how much commission I earn just depends on the program that I associate with or want to promote. Okay, so this model could be done. This is done in any niche. Okay, any topic you can think of can be done this way. Now, before you start this kind of business, I just want to tell you that this is not a get rich quick scheme, meaning you're not going to get a lot of money doing this in a short period of time. It's just not going to happen. First, you need to learn. That's number one. Then you need to establish yourself. Then you're going to start getting traffic to your website. Then you're going to start making a little bit of money, little bit. And as you traffic, your website gets more and more traffic. That's how your income will build, okay? Okay, so you need to work hard and you need to be consistent and have patience. Those are really the key two things that really have built my business where it is today. Okay, so because I'm consistent, I work hard, and I'm patient for that traffic to my website, and now I'm making almost $8,000 a month. I mean, you saw that with your own eyes, right? How can you get started? Well, you could get started with the training that I'm going to show you, okay? And you can get started for free. And I say get started for free because you're not going to get everything. I mean, come on. The real crux of this business is very valuable. Okay, you're learning real skills on how online businesses work. So don't expect real training, comprehensive step-by-step training to be free. Okay, it's just not going to happen. It's just any free training will be very not detailed, and it's not going to give you all the pieces that you need. Okay, but the free training that I'm going to show you, it's good because you could get a sense of what is available. And then if you like it, then go ahead and upgrade to the premium. Okay, and that's where you're going to get my coaching for free. If you're going to upgrade to premium, you could contact me anytime on the platform, on the training platform, and that's where I do my coaching. Okay, that's where I provide my services for free. So where is this place, right? Let's check it out. Okay. So where I learned everything is at Wealthy Affiliate, and here's my profile for Wealthy Affiliate and my bio here. You could read all this by yourself later, but this is where Littlemama comes from. I'm known on this platform as Littlemama, and I've signed up here September 2016. Okay, and so I've been in this business just over 2 years, and you can see here I'm an ambassador of Wealthy Affiliate already, and I'm ranked number 6. It just means that I'm active on the platform and very helpful on the platform. Number 1 and number 2 are the owners. And what's exciting about this is that I have reached super affiliate status in August, okay? What that means is that I'm going to go on a free Vegas trip to meet Kyle and Carson, the owners, in January of 2019, okay? how this works is that you have training here, okay? There's two main courses. You have online entrepreneur certification. This course is for any niche you want to pick, any niche. This will cover, because the strategy and the method is going to be the same. You're going to use the same strategy. And this applies to any topic you're going to choose, okay? And how you're going to choose the topic is all going to be in this course. And you get this first level free if you sign up for a free account. The starter membership is free. By the time you're finished with the first 10 lessons in here, you already have a live website on the internet with some pages on it. I mean, that's pretty cool, right? That means you get you actually get 2 free websites with your starter membership. And then you could go through the lessons and see how it works, and then see how you like the lessons, and then decide if you want to go upgrade to premium. So the other training program that I've gone through both, but what I use mainly is the affiliate bootcamp. That's why I promote Wealthy Affiliate. So it comes from my past, my experience, and I know how you guys feel when you're just starting out and don't know how to follow a path. And Wealthy Affiliate gives you that path, and it's already done. So it's like a proven way to do it, and I've proven that it works too. So it's like, and there's many members that have proven this has worked as well. So it's not just me, okay? Okay, so it's just not just me. And these are all success stories throughout 2018, okay? So in February, he's already making 13K, and he does use the affiliate program for Wealthy Affiliate. But if you look at his details on his website here, actually only $500 of that $13. So he makes money outside of Wealthy Affiliates affiliate program. And this Dylan here, he sold his website for $40,000. I mean, and he only worked on this about a year, I think, on this website that he sold. So you can see that the skills that you're learning here at Wealthy Affiliate could like make you money in different ways. I mean, once you start having your website make money on a monthly basis, that's worth a lot to people who don't want to do all that initial work. So he made 40 grand just like that. He broke breaking 1,000 is very exciting if you've been in this space. So when people post about this, it's really awesome. So this was in July for him. And then Serena also broke $1,000, and she even gives you a look at the jump from September to October. That's crazy, right? 3 times. This is how the online business works, okay? The way this flows, you just never know when it's gonna skyrocket like that. So that's the amazing part of SEO and how it works. So when you sign on to Wealthy Affiliate, you can get all this information and read all their stories. So you're going to get started with me, hopefully, okay? You just got to go to workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, because if you don't use my link, then you're not going to be have me as your coach. So if you want someone dedicated for you to go to ask questions to, someone who knows what they're doing, someone who's been making money and will genuinely help you, okay? I'm not just throwing this out there to BS you. I mean, you can look at my profile. You can look at my posts on my profile. That's all proof of how helpful I am to people, okay? You're going to go to my link. You're going to create your free account, and then you're going to get a message from me. So look out for a message from Littlemama, and then you're going to get my free coaching when you upgrade to premium, because that's who will get my coaching for free, okay? So that's everything. I hope you would join me. So be sure to like this video below, okay, and subscribe to my channel, please, and click that notification bell so that you could get my next video very quickly and know when the next video will come up, okay? So I hope you join me, and I'll see you inside of Wealthy Affiliate. Thank you.